Annual Hangout Music Festival is set to kick off about 24 hours from now in Gulf Shores with pre-party tomorrow night. Thousands of people are expected to pack the beaches for a weekend of fun and music. So that's where we find Fox News reporter Michael Brandon. He's live in Gulf Shores tonight. Michael, any tickets still available?
Well, Anise, we just got word that the Hangout is done with selling their 3-day pass tickets. They are sold out, but there's still a short number of one-day passes still available. The Hangout is covering a lot of real estate down here. And when I mean real estate, I mean a lot of space. It is a lot going on down here. And speaking of real estate, we spoke with Missy Zach of Meyer Real Estate here earlier in Gulf Shores, and she told us that if you haven't decided on coming out here, there's absolutely no reason not to.
We're down just a little bit, maybe 10–15%, but what we have seen is it hasn't stopped. We've had people walking in even today that don't have a reservation, asking for a reservation. We can hook you up. Come to the Hangout. We're here to do whatever we can for folks.
Well, as you can see right here behind me, the Coca-Cola Zero stage is all set up, and when we move over here, I'm going to show you where the headliners are going to be set up. On this stage right here, it is all set up. This is where you'll see Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, Stevie Wonder, and Kings of Leon. And as we move back over to my right, this right here is where you want to be, the VIP section. As you can see behind me, tent set up, nice air-conditioned areas, and nice chairs to relax in. So it's definitely going to be a nice time out here. Now, Missy also said that she has 1,200 condos and 300 houses down here from Fort Morgan to Perdido Beach. So if you have not made a reservation, come on down. They still have some available for you out of that selection. Now, if you need any more information on the Hangout Music Festival, you can visit our website, fox10tv.com. We have everything posted right there for you to see. For now, reporting live in Gulf Shores at the Hangout Music Festival, Michael Brandon, Fox 10 News.
Sounds like a lot of fun. Thanks, Michael.